Remove the zip ties. Loosening but not removing hand screws. Removing the engraving platform. Installation of X-axis integrated parts to body parts. Please place the X-axis parallel down and clip in the bezel on both sides at the same time. Note, the X-axis needs to be mounted parallel downwards and pressed to the bottom. Use M4 8mm screws to fix the X-axis integrated parts. Installation of 10-watt laser module. Note, the screws on the top of the backplate of the laser module need to be unscrewed by 3mm. Align the laser with the X-axis hole and tighten the 2 screws. Note, the laser module needs to be pressed to the bottom. Press and tighten the 2 screws on the back of the slide plate. Remove the handle part of the engraving platform. Attach the engraving table to the base part and fix it with M3 5mm screws. Placement of the body part on the base part. Push the X-axis assembly to secure the base parts and body parts with hand screws. Note, tighten hand screws from the bottom. Plug in the power cord and USB cable. Long press the power button to turn on the machine and run normally, that is, the installation is completed.